A gravity reading is a measure of the total dissolved solids in water. When speaking of mead, wine, or beer, the dissolved solid is sugar. Water has a specific gravity of 1. When you add sugar to the water and mix it up, the sugar raises the density of the water, and you can measure this with a hydrometer. And when you introduce yeast to the solution, the yeast will convert the sugar to alcohol and CO2, lowering the density of the fluid. The optimal ferment starts at X gravity, 1.080 spoken as 1080, and ends at 1, spoken as 1. Session mead or short mead or a hydromel starts with a specific gravity of 1070 and ends as close as 1 as you can get. A traditional mead starts much higher than a hydromel, sometimes as high as 1.175, and end much sweeter at 1.015. The higher the final gravity, the sweeter the end product will be. And that is a gravity reading.